In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is a webhook and how to create webhooks on Discord. First off, let's take a moment to understand what a webhook is. A webhook is essentially a way for an app to provide other applications with real-time information. They're incredibly useful in creating automated notifications for events within an app, server, or system. For example, they can send you a notification every time someone completes a form on your website or posts a message in a specific Discord channel. They're easy to set up and can significantly improve the efficiency of digital communications. Alright, let's dive into how you can create a webhook on Discord, which is a popular platform not just for gamers but for communities and teams seeking a robust communication tool. First things first, you'll need to log into Discord, open your favorite web browser, head over to the Discord website and log in with your credentials. You'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once you input your details, hit the login button to proceed. Once you're in, navigate to Discord Home. From here you're going to want to access a specific server where you wish to create the webhook. If you're not part of a server yet, you'll need to join one or create your own. Right click on the server for which you want to create the webhook and look for the server settings option in the context menu that appears. In the server settings menu, find and click on the integrations tab. This section allows you to manage different tools and integrations for your Discord server, including webhooks. Within the integration section, you'll see an option to create webhook. Click on it to get started on setting up your webhook. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can configure the details of your webhook. Here's the fun part where you get to personalize the webhook. You have the option to name your webhook and give it an avatar. Think of this like creating a new character in a video game. The name and avatar will represent your webhook across Discord. After you've customized your webhook, it's crucial to select the Discord channel where the webhook will post messages. This could be any channel within the server you have permission to manage. Choose wisely based on what kind of notifications the webhook will send. Once you've filled out all the details, make sure to copy the webhook URL provided. This URL is essential because it's the endpoint you or an application will use to send information to your Discord channel. Keep this URL secure and don't share it publicly, as anyone with access to it can send messages to your Discord channel. To finalize the setup, click on Save Changes. Voila! You've successfully created a webhook on Discord. But before we wrap up, let's go back to the integrations page quickly by clicking on Integrations once more. It's always good practice to review your integrations and ensure that everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. You've now learned not just what a webhook is, but how to create one within Discord. This functionality can significantly boost your productivity by automating notifications and data sharing between Discord and other platforms or applications you use. Remember to test your new webhook to ensure it's working as expected. Experiment with different types of notifications to see what works best for your server's needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Webhooks open a whole new world of automation and efficiency, and I'm excited for you to start exploring their potential within your Discord servers. Happy coding and happy communicating.